Skipping your morning coffee won't make you rich. And here's why that advice is keeping you stuck. You've heard it 1,000 times. Cut the lattes, cancel Netflix, stop eating out. Sacrifice everything and you'll be wealthy. So you try it. You skip the coffee. You cancel subscriptions. You feel deprived. And after all that, you've saved maybe $50 a month. Meanwhile, you're still stressed. Still living paycheck to paycheck. Still wondering where all your money goes. Here's the truth. Small cuts don't fix broken systems. Penny pinching is a distraction from the real problem. The real problem is visibility. You don't actually know where your money goes. You're guessing. You're cutting random things, hoping something works. The Finance Reset Toolkit shows you the full picture, not just your coffee habit, everything. Your income, your fixed costs, your debt, your savings rate, your runway. When you see everything in one place, you stop guessing. You see what actually moves the needle. Maybe it's not the coffee. Maybe it's the car payment eating 20% of your income. Maybe it's subscriptions you forgot existed. Maybe it's a spending category you didn't even know was a problem. The Finance Reset Toolkit lets you run scenarios. Keep the coffee, cut the subscription, see the difference. Keep the gym membership, reduce eating out, see the trade-off. You don't have to live like a monk to build wealth. You just need to see the math. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop penny pinching. Start seeing the full picture. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.